क्रिकेट टीवी जहां मिलेगी क्रिकेट की सारी बातें, जहां जोश भी है, जहां होश भी है, जहां क्रिकेट है, आओ देखें क्रिकेट टीवी।
हेलो, नमस्ते, गुड इवनिंग और स्वागत है आपका क्रिकेट टीवी पर। हम लौटे हैं इंग्लैंड वर्सेस इंडिया टेस्ट मैच का रिव्यू लेकर। एंड आई एम विद मिस हेतवी पटेल, मिस्टर नारायण पसारी एंड मिस्टर निखिल मोरसावाला, और हम सब क्रिकेट लवर्स आपके साथ आज क्रिकेट की बातें करेंगे। तो जो थर्ड मैच हुआ है वो इंग्लैंड जीत गया है बाय 22 रन्स। एंड आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क माय क्रिकेट एक्सपर्ट्स के आपको क्या लगता है सीरीज के बारे में। इंग्लैंड इज लीडिंग 2-1। सो वील स्टार्ट विद नारायण सर, वुड यू लाइक टू से हाउ दिस मैच वाज और क्यों इंडिया जो है इस बार सिर्फ 22 रन से हार गया।
So, if you just take a review of the first three tests,
यस।
first of all, India should have not lost the first test itself, and it won the second, though the team was picked up for a draw. ऐसा काफी जगह पे लोगों ने कहा है, and this they lost by only 22 runs actually. So, loss is a loss. आई एम अ सीए, सो 40% मार्क्स एक सब्जेक्ट में आने चाहिए, 50% एग्रीगेट में आने चाहिए। इफ यू गेट 39 and you get 199, स्टिल यू आर फेल, तो फेल है। तो 22 हो, 220 हो या एक रन हो, लॉस इज अ लॉस एंड वी एक्सेप्ट इट, बेसिकली। सो एक चीज अपने को मेरे को ये बोलना था कि ये इंडियन टीम है ना, इट इज इन अ मोड ऑफ ट्रांजिशन, It's a that full series without a Kohli, a Sharma, and a Ashwin. देखा जाए तो, and those were two big boots to be filled in, and it's not possible in the short term. अब तो तीन ही मैच हुए हैं खाली, and difficult for a like to like parameters and replacements. तो एक चीज वो अपने को समझना चाहिए, and cricket is a game of mental skills also. So ये समझ के देखना चाहिए, आगे बहुत कुछ है. Let's see how it works out.
Right. Nikhil sir, how about you? What are your overall comments about the match?
I think it's more a couple of things I would say that one is I still don't know why. I mean, Narayan of course has his own justification, but I don't think Rohit and Virat matter any longer because at number four you have Shubman Gill who's filled in Virat Kohli's shoes fantastically well. So we don't feel Virat's absence. In the opening slot you have KL Rahul who has come into in place of Rohit Sharma. Earlier Rohit used to open with Jaiswal and other people. So I think the two slots that were a big worry for us have actually performed well. And it's not them, it's not the absence of, or it's not the deficiency in those two slots that made a difference. मुझे लगता है कि जब जब हम इसका मैं दो ही मुझे लगता है दो ही कारण है कि हम हार गए। एक कारण ये है कि, और ये कोई बात नहीं करता इसके बारे में, लेकिन पहली पहली बारी में जेम्स स्मिथ का कैच ड्रॉप किया था केएल राहुल ने। 200 263 पे 5 विकेट था
Hmm.
और जेम्स जेम्स स्मिथ था 5 रन पे। एंड देन ही वेंट ऑन टू मेक 51 runs and he made a 84 run stand, a rare and stand with cars, Biden cars.
Correct.
Now, if
Yeah.
that catch had been taken by KL Rahul, a simple catch, ऐसा भी नहीं था कि डिफिकल्ट कैच था और मुश्किल था और इसलिए नहीं पकड़ पाए, सीधा हाथ में आया था कैच। हाथ में आके उनका मिसजजमेंट हो गया, कहीं यहाँ यहाँ वहाँ पाम पे लग के कैच ड्रॉप हो गया। इट इज ह्यूमन, आई डोंट से दैट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट he is not good or inefficient, and I'm nothing like that. But that one incident, I think, allowed England to go up to 300 and whatever 71 or whatever they made,
87.
87 that they made in the first innings. Had that catch been taken, they might have been restricted to 280, 290, 100, 310, 320, and we could have got that first innings lead of 40, 50, 60 runs, which would have been very crucial. Second, of course, is the extras that everybody talks about, that why so many extras were given, and had those extras not been given, India would not have lost by 20 runs. I don't think, whilst it may have been a reason, one logical, arithmetical reason to say that 22 रन से हारे, और कितने 32 एक्स्ट्रास हमने दिए 170 के 197 के स्कोर में। मैंने एनालाइज किया नारायण, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है कि लॉर्ड्स का जो ग्राउंड है वो स्लोपिंग है, यानी वो यूं है, सीधा नहीं है। देयर वर 6 बाउंड्रीज in the wides, 6 boundaries in the second innings. Out of these five were on the slope down. That means the bowler was bowling with the advantage of the slope, and the wicketkeeper was standing behind on the slope like this. Out of the 6 boundaries, five went to the leg side. Now, Jurel is a right-hander, so his right side is his correct side. His left side is his wrong side. And when a wicketkeeper stands, he stands to the off because the batsman takes a guard on the leg in the middle, and the off stump is open, and you will always see the wicketkeeper taking a stand on the off side so that he can have a vision of the bowler and to see how he's bowling. And so therefore, for him to go to the leg side is a disadvantage because he's 2 feet this side. Going to the off is easier for him because he's on the offside. If a wide ball or a wayward ball is bowled by the bowler which is on the off, it is easier for him to catch because for Jurel, because he's right-handed, plus he's standing on the right side. When the ball swings to the leg and goes away on the leg side, first of all he's on the off 2 feet this side, so he's at a minus point. He's a handicap. So he has to jump a little more to catch that ball. Plus, he's on the wrong side. Uh, four of those boundaries came from Siraj's bowling, and all of them were away swingers. There was nothing that Jurel could have done. I think it is a bit of a wayward bowling where Siraj was trying to take wickets, and obviously he was giving his heart out. So again, you can't find fault with what he did. But if you analyze, then I think had those deliveries been on the stumps or not that wayward that they went for buys, you could not have had those 32 buys going out. So it needs to be analyzed. When you're on a slope, how close you should stand. Otherwise, I think Jurel's wicket keeping was brilliant in the second innings. He was standing up to the fast bowlers. He was standing at the stumps for Akashdeep. He was standing at the stumps for, I think, Siraj also for some time, but I couldn't do it for Bumrah, obviously, because Bumrah's bounces are quite high and you can't stand near the stumps, you have to be behind. So, all in all, I think one dropped catch, which allowed James Smith to do that. The extras that came into play in the second innings. First inning also there were quite a few, 31. But I think the second innings made the big difference of allowing them to go to 197 and not restricting them to what we thought 170, 160 could have been and was achievable. We made 170 at the end of the day. So I think जो 22 दिए गए जो भी कारण था उसका एक फर्क पड़ा और ये कैच ड्रॉप हुआ जेम्स स्मिथ का ये मुझे नहीं लगता पंत का जो रनआउट के बारे में बहुत चर्चा हो रही है कि अरे वो लंच टाइम पे आउट हो गए और वो राहुल को सेंचुरी बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे आई थिंक उन्होंने अपना काम किया 2 घंटे खेले उन्होंने पूरा एक सेशन निकाला दे डिड द जॉब and then they got out. So that's fine. I don't think that made a big difference. But that one catch of James Smith, I think, sort of allowed England to go up to 387 in the first inning. That was my take.
Yes. My next question is to Hetwi. So England won the toss in all the three matches that they played. The second one they chose to bowl, but this one they chose to bat. Any reason why? What are your comments?
I think that was a great strategical move from England. It helped them at the end of the day. They did give them an edge. पर उन्होंने इतना स्कोर नहीं किया जितना इंडिया ने किया था in past couple of test matches, of course. But then again, I think they did 387, which was not a bad score. And India was 376 for 6 at one point. And again lost 387, 11 runs में उन्होंने 4 wicket खो दिए. So it was like a pattern that India has been following. It happened in the first test, it happened in the second test, and it is happening now as well. So England के लिए it worked, but then again India nothing changed for India. सिक्स विकेट के बाद जो हुआ वो हुआ सेकेंड इनिंग में ऑफ कोर्स जाडेजा बुमराह सिराज ने दे ट्राइड टू स्ट्रेच द मैच until the end. It almost looked like India could win or it could go draw, but then again it happened. What happened. Yes.
Anyone else would like to give their comments on this question?
So I always thought that India is not a good chaser of runs. I always thought that India batting second and chasing a run is very iffy. If you see our 1983 win in the ODI World Cup, we made a low score and then we bowled the opposition out. So I have a lot of confidence in India's bowling and India's fielding and getting the opposition out. And therefore, the second test that we won when we batted first and third, and then bowled England out in the fourth innings. We could not do that in the first test match because of, I think, our bowling was weak. Then we made some changes. We brought in two all-rounders. So Nitish Reddy was there, Washington Sundar was there, and I think that made a big difference in this match also. If you saw, Sundar took 4 wickets. So I think I always believe that India should bat first and third and in a test match and allow second and fourth to the opposition, we stand more chances. टेम्परामेंट वाइज जब आप चेस करते हो तो जो आपके जो बैट्समैन, जैसे सुनील गावस्कर एक जमाने में हुआ करते थे, या सौरव गांगुली थे, या अजीत वाडेकर थे, एक टेम्परामेंट होता था कि आप स्ट्रेस में नहीं आते हो, आपको एक पेशेंटली खेलना पड़ता है। अगर आप देखिए 100 कितने बनाने थे हमें, 197 बनाने थे। आप
92।
आपने अगर आपने अगर प्री प्री इनिंग्स कमेंट देखे होंगे, मतलब चेतेश्वर पुजारी का कमेंट सुना कि हम तो 300 भी बना सकते हैं। लेकिन ये कब होता है, जब आपका जो बल्लेबाज है उनमें वो क्षमता, वो जो टेम्परामेंट होना चाहिए ना, जो 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 अनुभव से आता है। क्योंकि टेम्परामेंट हैज
करेक्ट।
नथिंग टू विद स्किल। स्किल अच्छा है, आपकी सब बैट्समैन बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं, लेकिन टेम्परामेंट किसका बिल्ड होता है? जो बहुत ही सालों से अच्छे ऐसे अलग अलग कंडीशंस में खेल चुका है, और ऐसे अलग अलग प्रेशर सिचुएशंस में खेल चुका है, तो प्रेशर लेना जानता है। तो इस तरह से अगर आप पहले ही चौथे दिन पे 63 फॉर 4 या जो भी स्कोर था, हमारे 4 बल्लेबाज चले गए थे, इट डजंट वर्क देन यू डू नॉट रीच द टारगेट। द टेम्परामेंट ऑफ स्टैंडिंग देयर, स्टेइंग देयर, टाइम ही टाइम था अपने पास। 197 बनाने थे, पूरा एक दिन था, और 1 डेढ़ घंटे थे चौथे दिन को। तो उस वक्त ये जरूरी था कि जो हमारे पहले 2 या 3 बल्लेबाज थे, उन्हें खड़े रहने की बहुत जरूरत थी, न विकेट नहीं खोने की। रन्स की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं थी, बहुत ही टाइम था अपने पास। मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग थोड़ा सा मार खा गए कि हमारे जो बल्लेबाज है अभी भी, इंक्लूडिंग शुभमन गिल, हैज टू गो हैज टू डेवलप द टेम्परामेंट टू विथस्टैंड द स्ट्रेस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट। आईपीएल इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग। आईपीएल को आप इसमें कंपैरिजन का कोई कोई मकसद नहीं है। लेकिन जब आप अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे खेल रहे हो, जब आप लॉर्ड्स में खेल रहे हो, द मेका ऑफ क्रिकेट, जब आप ऐसे ऐसे प्रेशर में हो, जब होम क्राउड इज screaming for England, supporting England. You do have an Indian support base there, but the Lords was like screaming for the England win. At that time, your your mental strength comes into play, and I think that's where probably we lost out on that score that we did not. Jadeja showed a fantastic temperament. There is some criticism about him कि he should have hit out. कि जब 8वां विकेट गिरा तो मालूम है कि 2 ही विकेट है, तो स्लो क्यों खेल रहा था, आके छक्के चौके मारने चाहिए थे। नहीं होता है, ये लॉर्ड्स है, ये स्लोपिंग विकेट है। यू कांट बी रैश, यू कांट जस्ट कम एंड से ओके अब तो मेरे को 2 ही विकेट बाकी है, गया तो गया, मारा तो मारा। ही प्लेड इज, आई थिंक ही डिड अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब of standing there and staying there. Siraj was unfortunate to get out. He did middle the ball, but unfortunately the ball spun and went back on the wicket, and he was not quick enough to stop the
Hmm.
ball from going to the wicket. So uh, temperament, I think, is something that is missing in this team. It'll come with experience, it'll come with losing। खास करके जब आप हारोगे ना, तब वो टेम्परामेंट आपके अंदर आती है। वो जीत से नहीं आती है। वो जीत के बाद आपका टेम्परामेंट उल्टा हो जाता है, आपको लगने लगता है कि किसी कोई आपको हरा नहीं सकता है। हारने के बाद एक टेम्परामेंट आता है, आप एक एनालिसिस करते हो, क्यों, क्या हुआ, मैंने क्या गलती की, ये समझ के आप फिर यू मेच्योर एज ए क्रिकेटर। एंड आई थिंक the youngsters today in the team will have learned. I think they all played well. Sundar, Nitish, you name them. Fantastic. Siraj, my God, what a bowler, what a fantastic player. I think he gave his heart out. The support he gave to Bumrah, just brilliant. And I think this is what makes me proud. When India won the second test, I said it's not the winning, it's the margin of winning that made me happy. This time it's not losing, it's the way we lost. We kept our pride intact. We fought till the last moment. Till the last moment one thought शायद जीतेगा, शायद शायद चांस है, चांस है, चांस है। और बोलते हैं इस तरह से हारने में कोई बुराई नहीं है। देयर इज no disrespect in this type of a loss. We lost very respectfully, and all out of it in match number 4. And then at 2-all, if you go into match 5, it's going to be an humdinger.
Narayan sir, my next question is to you. Would you compare Archer to Bumrah? And who do you think performed the best? Who do you think
No, see,
benefited the team?
yeah, it's very difficult because, but if you see the numbers in this test, England made a good move by getting in Archer. So he took 52 for 2 in the first innings, and 55 for 3 in the second innings. He took Jaiswal and Washington in both the innings. दोनों का विकेट दोनों इनिंग में लिया उसने, और एक पंत का विकेट लिया सेकंड इनिंग में, विच वाज वेरी क्रूशियल. अगर पंत वहां टिक जाता, 9 रन पे आउट नहीं होता, तो ये 22 रन तो कभी के ठोक चुका होता. सो उनके लिए he was quite good comparatively. When you compare to Bumrah's figures, he got 5 for 74 in the first inning, prize wickets, and 2 for 38. So overall, 7 wickets for 112. So you can't compare both of them. Both are good, but depending on the scene, how it works today, वो हिसाब से है. So you can't compare both of them, and let's see how it works out in the fourth test, how things work out. And Archer ने अभी तक ज्यादा टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेला भी नहीं है, compared to Bumrah. So एक वो भी फर्क पड़ता है, but he is a good bowler. We have seen him in IPL also. So
Yes.
एक वो देख लेते हैं उस हिसाब से.
So who do you think was the best batsman?
Just one point. Archer came out. Archer came back into test matches after a big hiatus. The last time he played, or last wicket he took was 4 years ago. So I think based on that statistic, I think his performance was very good, because it's not easy to come back after such a long gap, and for him to play and do that. And I think his second innings में जो उन्होंने 3 विकेट लिए, बहुत बड़ा फर्क पड़ा हार और जीत में. और शायद एक ये और जोफ्रा आर्चर played in Indian conditions, knows the Indian batsmen, knows the Indian players, because he's a critical key in one of the IPL teams. I don't remember which one, but he does play very closely with India's cricketers all the time. So for him, that intelligence is there. He knows which player bats how, and I think that made a big difference. I think that 3 wickets that he took in the second innings was a game changer, according to me. Had he not taken Pant's wicket, and as Narayan said, had Pant lasted for 4-5 more overs and made 30-40 runs, everything would have changed.
And if you see, he got Jaiswal for a 0, and Washington Sundar also for a 0 in the second innings. दोनों को 0-0 पे आउट किया है. अगर वो जायसवाल भी अगर 10 बॉल भी खेल जाता ना, तो वो कुछ भी बना सकता है. So both ways, Jaiswal and Pant are fire shots. So depends upon one particular time क्या होता है. That's all from my side. Yeah.
So what do you
Shifted the
think?
momentum this series.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, that's it. He just shifted the momentum this series, because like Sir said, had Pant been playing for 4 or 5 overs, or these two guys would have played, we would have added a lot of runs in the innings. Maybe the margin would be smaller, or we could have.
Yeah.
Nikhil sir, what was the turning point in the game according to you?
I mentioned KL Rahul dropped catch. For me, I don't believe in the run out of Pant being a turning point. I don't believe that the extras were a turning point, because that's part and parcel of the game. It's something that you do to take wickets. You bowl fast, you bowl hard, you swing hard, and buys can go. You cannot say I must bowl on the stumps. Doesn't work. But a dropped catch, a catch that comes onto the hand, is something that's an error. It's a mistake. It's not something that happened because you were trying to take a wicket. It's something that happened lack of concentration. You misjudged the ball. You lost sight of the ball. Your mind was somewhere else. It all boils down to lack of attention, lack of focus. And I think that very easy catch coming into his hands, dropping that was a criminal error. And I think if James Smith had gone out at that point of time, 387 was not on the board. And if 387 not on the board, India would have been somewhere else. For me, that one incident made a difference.
Okay, so anything else from your side before we wind up? Anybody wants to say any comments?
I'll tell you one more turning point. The
Yes.
turning point, according to me, in the second innings of Indian batting is Jaiswal 0, Gill 6, and Pant 9. All three chaps have made 6 centuries in the first 2 tests together. वो तीनों अगर डबल डिजिट में नहीं जाते और 0, 6 और 9 पे आउट हो जाते हैं, so it's very difficult. और प्लस क्या हुआ, सेकंड डे लास्ट डे मॉर्निंग ऑल्सो वो 4 विकेट और चली गई. पहले तो 4 विकेट लास्ट सेशन पे चले गई 4th डे को, और वो भी चले गई 112 पे 8 हो गए. यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट अ जडेजा. See, Jadeja is somebody who is among all these players have played 80 plus test. सबसे सीनियर मोस्ट वही आदमी है. तो उसको कितना खिलाओगे. फिर भी जसप्रीत के साथ उनके साथ में 2, 2.5, सवा 2 घंटे वहां टिके रहे, वो इट्स इटसेल्फ अ चैलेंज एक्चुअली देखा जाए. सो दैट कुड आल्सो बी वन ऑफ द टर्निंग पॉइंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. क्या होता है, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, इफ आई एम एन ऑडिट एक्सपर्ट, तो आई एम सपोज टू डू गुड ऑडिट. अगर मेरी if I do good, good income tax, I am not recognized for that. I have to be recognized for my batting, for my audit only. So these chaps are all batsmen. So they have to bat. That is their job actually. और 192 बनाने हैं खाली. See, विकेट दोनों के लिए एक है, आपके लिए भी वही है, इंग्लैंड के लिए भी वही है. निखिल ने बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया कि कैसे स्लोप बना हुआ है. जुरल नहीं ले सकता था, सिराज ने गंदी बॉलिंग करी, ही कुड नॉट वर्क आउट ऑल दोस 4-5 ओवर. तो उनके लिए भी तो स्लोप सेम ही है ना, इंग्लैंड के लिए भी. उन्होंने भी अच्छी बॉलिंग करी. आज आप स्टोक्स का देखिए, स्टोक्स उसके जो आंख में फायर था, दैट इज वर्थ इट टू सी इट. बेसिकली क्या मजबूत फायर किया, एंड नाउ ही हैज बिकम द 8th बैट्समैन टू स्कोर मेक मोर देन 50 विकेट्स अगेंस्ट इंडिया इन टेस्ट मैच फॉर इंग्लैंड. तो एक गजब है, अच्छा फायर है और होगा. लेट्स सी, इट वाज गुड मैच. 22 रन कुछ is nothing to be get lost off or get desperate and slow down. Let's see आगे क्या होता है.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो ये था हमारा
प्रिया
रिव्यू.
जी,
यस, ये था हमारा रिव्यू. तो लौटते हैं जल्दी ही. वील प्रीव्यू द नेक्स्ट मैच. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग अस टुडे एंड वील कम बैक सून. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
आओ देखें क्रिकेट